Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time visiting this channel, click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will get notified as soon as possible. Yeah, so this is volume 6 of the daily Forex update. I brought you volume 5 previously. So if you, for educational purposes, if you want to have a feel of it, just look at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on it and then go and then watch it. Alright, yeah, so today was a rough day. Yes, you get to know why I'm saying it was a rough day. But before we begin, let's switch to the economic news calendar to see what is happening so far as tomorrow is concerned. So tomorrow, Wednesday, which is 19th July 2023, we have GBP inflation rate for the month of June year over year. We have the Euro CPI for Australia, Austria CPI for the month of June. We have the Eurozone CPI for the month of June. We have USD building permits for the month of June. And then we have JPY balance of trade for the month of June. All right. So these are the high impact news that we expect to see so far as tomorrow being Wednesday is concerned. So just be on the watch if you are trading any related pair concerning these high impact news. Let's delve into the chart. We start with the dollar index. So for the dollar index, yesterday or my previous update, I gave you two scenarios. Even with the weekly Forex update, all right, I gave you two scenarios. The two scenarios still hold because at this point we haven't seen a clear direction on the dollar index yet. Since ever since we saw this heavy move to the downside. All right, yes, at this point we haven't really seen a clear direction yet. But as it stands now, we have a liquidity void right here, and these shaded purple color you are seeing here is, if you should go to the weekly, you know that is a PDRE, that is a fair value gap on a weekly time frame. So as it stands now, going into tomorrow, this can happen. We can see price would push to the upside to fill up all these liquidity void, which is very likely. All right, but I mean, since we have two scenarios that can unfold, I'll just be watching how the market is going to react. But it is very likely that we're going to see price would push to the upside to fill all these liquidity voids into this breakup block we are seeing here. Then we see a move to the downside, or we'll see price push to the downside first to fill up the fair value gap. Then we see price to push to the upside. All right, whichever way it unfolds, we are going to see what will happen. All right, so as it stands now, I'm still quiet on the dollar index. All right, I just want to see how the market is going to react so far as Wednesday is concerned. Yeah, so that is just that for the dollar index. So let's look at what is happening on USDCAD. For GBPUSD, the swing trading room is currently in a trade. All right, I placed a trade for the swing trading room on GBPUSD. So I mean, I can't even discuss GBPUSD with you now. Yes, I can discuss it with you probably tomorrow or in my subsequent daily Forex update. I'll discuss GBPUSD with you, but at the moment we are in a trade here, so I can't discuss it with you now. If you want to be part of the swing trading room, just hit me up on Telegram and I'll give you the packages. You sign up and become part of the swing trading Telegram room. All right, yeah. So for now, I can't speak with you on GBPUSD. Let's look at what is happening on USDCAD. So for USDCAD, we didn't have a clear direction of the market today. Yes, we never had a clear direction of the market today. We saw price taking out this buy side liquidity. Then we saw price moving to after that. We saw price moving to the downside. But as it stands now, I'm looking for bearish prices on USDCAD so far as tomorrow is concerned. All right, we saw price taking out this buy side liquidity and then taking out this sell side liquidity. And right after that, there was a creation of a fair value gap. All right, there was a fair value gap creation here. This high here and then this low here. All right, fair value gap, and we saw price tapping into it. And aside it even being a fair value gap, there is also a bearish breakup block right here. All right, yeah, so this is a bearish breakup block. All right, yes, and there has been a creation of a what of a lower swing high. So as it stands now, I will expect to see price going into Wednesday, push a little bit into the zone, then we see a continuation to the downside. All right, yeah. So I wouldn't expect this swing high to be violated. I want to see price move up a little bit, then we see a push to the downside. All right, we see a push to the downside. So that's going to be my expectation so far as USD CAD is concerned. Let's look at what is happening with GBPJPY. How they seek and destroy market profile on Tuesday. All right, yes, actually, I was stopped out on this very market because I mean, whoever was in took a trade on GBPJPY, one way or the other, either you went in for a sell or you went in for a buy. One way or the other, you were stopped out because I mean, price or took out both sides of the liquidity. It took out buy side, it took out sell side. Yeah, so that is just that. But as it stands now, if we should look at it critically, all right, price took out the previous daily low right here, all right, and then it went up. I failed to take out the previous daily high, which means that at the moment price respected the high and violated the low. So as it stands now, we are likely to see price shift to the downside. Very likely to see price shift to that. So going into tomorrow, I'll be looking for selling opportunities on GBPJPY. All right, I'll be looking for selling opportunities on GBPJPY. We even have a high impact news for GBP going into tomorrow, so I'll look at how the market is going to react. All right, but as it stands now, it is within a range. All right, so I want to see price move out of this range before I start looking for any trade opportunities. All right, before I start looking out for any trade opportunities. So that is just that for GBPJPY. Yeah, so that is just that for the daily market update or the daily forex update. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit on the subscribe button, all right, and then smash the notification bell. If you're not part of my Telegram community, check the description box below. The link is there. Click on it and be part of the Clairvoyant Traders Telegram community. I'll come your way again another time. Peace.